Senyame ADOM na ode adepebe echi and say ya. To brebe na say adwum we say no ba ya na me say eboa ne kasa. Every say otamfo no hwehwe bebre wa me no mi no ho anopawia ne anajo. Senka o pese ode yankra ye ho na madua. Atumi aye hanam e de ama wo no ankasa ne sen. Woni me de otamfo no hwehwe. Tamfo no hwehwe bebre wa me no mi no ho anko pese ode ye hanam ema wo no an sen Edis onyame ADOM ema de pache ye yakoda ye no David say me die enyum inum o say me koda ye na be die I'm sorry, you know. I dear Bacopen and who yes, sir. No, Unyame Bassa, Ikurami Mimo. They could die and a die. They could die and a die. They could die and a die. Now, I dear chain, you know. I dear chain, dear no one. I dear chain. I will Ghana, I dear no one. Adia ye adia be pa no ho wonu se nyame nsada wo so wonu se ne mu nkom kata wo so wonu se ne mu nyam abie e de ama wana adia wunim se nyame aye no e ma onya ahotoso e de nante erutina mi bi sa wo sa. You can wake up without knowing. You can wake up without understanding. You can wake up without realizing that God has said ahead of you victory, success, progress, to overcome, to tread upon. I don't pay me your opportunity to say me namo kwemano. 5-10 minutes. Na me the buttons to cry. If it's a name you suffer back, the suffer penny back. No one can send me a years to car. Yes, Emamu 2 means someone tia our 1 year and chiraso. No, me will be to send me. Then you must want me to me. Me YAW OWUSU ANSAH. Achima said to the neighbor. Me nana wo me ma me no come. The Jesus Christ biena no catch them say me ma wo to me. Me ko winseni. Me ma penny. Me our self. Me kohwini atesemi de nyame se me ma wutumi se wonya ni paketu a wo wonim se ni se wo jeja ho etobre bia ya na ye toto ye ho ase na ye jeja ye ho esaya wade ye nware ye awo aye nwo ye adwuma aye nie university aye ntumi anko bi edan aye nsi ya asase aye nto ye tie ni nyina wo ni bi nanso so the supreme being, the I am that I am, the one who called things that were not there to come. Osiwabawu to me, said Tia, what any nyanchina or tamfuna who are doing in Araso. On our bonnet chana. If God, knowing you and your history and your background, and was who am to me say, what? Ajua, Akosia, Yaw, Ya, Efia, Tia, Wo, any nyanchire, and what tamfuna who are doing in Aswa. You don't need to panic. You don't need to be worried. You don't need to be disturbed. Asidan kwana hade be mano atom waro 6.3 eni se ha ya na wotie ebi efe no wabi wa fidia na ato ha and say radio beni ha ya atom waro 6.3 from YAW OWUSU ANSAH ana ya wada etibino mi no yes me also pesa wo Facebook wa now shebe ni mo dia obetumi call ADOM 106.3 FM ayuwa a package ni yama ni go hadada na ye ni mo se no mama mfa ene won kasa me da ho ahomache na ade ne na amadwem no enra be free Christ a congregation, oh boy. And right, it was another time. And then me name the Jamebe. Christ congregation adenta. Christ congregation adenta. Hey, Nyami Shiramu. So now what you ever to us and then you to us china. That's a question also can one year. You media and if you want but to us what to us. Amen can be big a crowd Roman phone my thing or chair. Ejichemu aye duno nsia eba form. Saran sona honhomo no eboa yen wo ye mre yemo. If we say said ye bebo empire a ese no yen de yenim. Nenso honhomo no ara de openie a ene ka be di mayen. Kadomo shigabaha. Na de opepe akomemu no nim adekodie a eye honhom no adwene honhom no wa adwene honhom no nyame hon konkron o wa adwene hon konkron a woni ne nam sa ya na wodi ne di agro no o wa adwene enkrofo obeye drama ne concert na won pe bibia ya be say baba bit radio so na me tie bia na obezu obi pese o pe enkrofo di won ho agro radio presenters no woman inside muadie they try to ridicule Christianity by tongues. Meanwhile assume we are saying na muntimi mfa ni agroda but Christianity there womutimi tenasia heri baba monkotra nkoje heri baba you see it is unacceptable. And some Abama no members me yaba. It is unacceptable. Yania your higher percentage, 70-something% populate. The whole Ghana no 70-something%. Now we probably edina diagra. Yeah, na mo di diagra. Money in Sadiana. Money in Sadia. Yana suma karade te man form ko diago wonim se wo mo de wo bo mo chem so a o man fa ba o mo de konti ba man fa konti ba mo de kosua mo de ajo eti mo de yan na de ye kura nyame donti no mo yan para brebi ba mo bebu ye mo also tene won sasa o de kire nyame ba na won sa aka ho You realize that you don't have to joke with Christians. Nadia Opai Adjini Nadia Opai Akoma Emonim Adekodia a young woman Adjini. Every say Udima Ahote for no Sadi or Yankopa. Who would be Bawaye? On Concron and a Dima war. Said you Yamepe. When you perform, Messi, the Odima one, a Hong Concron. Said yes, I see a bomb paya a seno. Yenim as a Hong Concron, the opinion any cabia Dimayang. A Dimayang. Menomi and Hong Concron Dimayang. When you perform, don't despise yourself. Romans chapter 8, the verse number 26. Na said na the opai pa akomamuno nim adekodia a ya honhom na dwene every say odima ahotefo no said the onyankopon pe bene beres pan for ya dwene beda wase verse 28 na yenema say one hour donyankopon na yenema say one hour donyankopon na yenema say one hour donyankopon ade nyina dibua won emanu wie wo no mu ye na yenema say one hour donyankopon etidi edika say esese wunim. You must know. What do you know about you and your relationship with Christ? What do you know? What you don't know, people takes you for granted. What do you know? Verse 28. Na yenim. Naturally say, as a seme and na wo yenim ni pakura ye. Yenim niya ewuradia ye ewonimu. Yenim niya ewuradia ye ananofa. Yenim niya ewuradia ye nsafa na yenim se. Na me ye dwamamoni. Na yenim se na me ye kromfo. Na yenim se na me ye tutu ni. Na yenim se na me ye prostitute. Na yenim se na me ye kromfo pa techi amwapa. Na yenim se na me de mani nsade. Ya yenim se na me kasa anye. Nanso efrida me ja me pe wo ma ewurade no. Na yenim se one hour donyankopon no. So de yenim ne se wo donyame a nanso so esese wonim ye bisa wo se wo donyame esese wonim ye bisa wo se wo be ko heaven esese wonim ye bisa wo se wo ni nyame wa ayonkofa esese wonim. You don't have to say well I think maybe and I'm not too sure if I die, if I go to heaven and shut up. You must know who you are. You must know what God has made you. How can I know? Unless I read, unless I study. We study to acquire knowledge. Knowledge doesn't come on a silver platter. You must know. How can you know? Unless you get time to read, study, sit under someone. Tena will be nasi. Yan chirechiro. Sedi ya chire kron tie. And said yes, say one kasawodi yeduma, the application of the scriptures. Na yere say wana wadonya nkopano adie nyina ya adie nyina negative, adie nyina positive, adie nyina wohiem, adie nyina yadiem, adie nyina sujadiem, adie nyina eka, adie nyina nkrofo akeka ho nsem. Na yenim say wana wadonya nkopon adie nyina adie ben watamfo na di atoso da ye boni ben waso no wana se wo gya wo no wana ebo wo yira nso se wo nya wo no no meware no bema ben no awo no wa yire no wo sa ka kire wo yire se no me dwendwere sanse mo bisa na me kai se ne Abraham ye mistake kura twa atro na Abimelech se wakofa Abraham yire wana dwene mu nyankofa no wa na nyankopon ka chese wunim me di owu aba begina waboboa no efire se papa no a wona na ekasa no Abraham no na yire ne sa maame no a wona ne baaye wunyamfa no so na me di owu abegina wo gate ya no se enka wo ye wadwene wo be hunu se wo pe wo be yire na one nada enti me di owu begina ho se nkonto nsha wo so enti wo wani da ho pa sa asomasi ayire na wona ne kasa ka kire ne se wo de jai wo kunu na me warew na mama wadwuma me warew na ma yese me warew wa bra wo so wa yire wo I mean Tim hobby na say na me wo kumase na ababa wa bia okunu minima sori wo me ko preach wa sori ho na ababa wa wo kunu no sa wo mpena na odi ne birthday na ne kuna ahai baby atua kana ne kunu ewo fie ne kunu so wo me de me boka wo de kokko enjoy with your friend na baby o enjoy with the friends no na ne boyfriend no hobby na ababa we wura washroom na abrante na wura hobi no makojo Christ and walk catcher na damfo baako and na damfo no bisa me sentie futuo be na memfa ma no na me di mawo oba warefo di kuna boka e ma na celebrate no and the maybe mu gum ho ani mu ase na yenim se unim se ade na wonim na yenim se wana wodo awurade no do awurade mesra wo do awurade enko asori o do awurade menka se kwa asori mesi do awurade with all your heart, with all your mind, with all your strength do awurade. Now do radia ade nyina dibua wo ema no wie won yi na won a wonam ni tiri mo bono so afre wo nom no no woni me say wunyame wo tiri mo bo with God's purpose. Do you know the purposes of God? Woni mo nyame tiri mo po ni pafon maka chiro se bema no so ampewa ekuru na so ampewa ayire na so ampewa wo maame na so ampewa sema wo course mate na so ampewa sema teacher dey na so ampewa sema nyame watiri mo bo. God's purpose. God has his own purpose for your life. Obi ampewa sema eske mami jobi ampewa sema ajobi ampewa sema mami felicia obi ampewa sema but when nyame woni tiri mo po. Oh, this morning I came with the purposes of God. I came to speak to somebody. God has his own purpose. Obisi wo tia, enso nyame so obeyi wo ayeyi. Obisi wo ho atai, wona ya achia. Wano tebe. Wano piprisie. Enso nyame se wano no aye piprisie no. Me de beye adwuma. Mepe. Wo nyame wo de botai. Wo firi o hia busuam, enso nyame wo de botai. Nini was in Nibi, there's Yama on a botai. When young couple want a pet, ADOM AHENGUA. When you Yame pet, I never say, when I was doing 12 radius, when I was doing Radiana, I did deep wow, Ebony. When you said the old name on the Diabua, when you said the Samuela, Quarter, good morning. Janet, good morning. Dorothy, good morning. Mommy Donko, good morning. Ekuba Coffee, good morning. Nick Bewa, good morning. Marian and Cancer. Hey, Auntie Maria. America to say. Mama to say. Auntie Hannah. Then Cancer Farmer. Good morning to all of you. Now you never say. Some way for drinking it. They were man over her, and a bema back. Me tobacco. Because then, what you done here, I am a dent, you know. Me will be awesome here. The ambulance, you know. And then we can allow you so. And ra, many a baba co frame. one was so me was some euros kakra and also I'm saying rather than come and also sir rather come euros in also so check it na kakra difference. Thank you very much. Thank you. Ambulance project, you know. You be paying now only 13,000 euros. Next week, you can see me never. And then you bet to be $100, 100 euros, 100 pounds. Mammy be so friend from UK. I see a dear London. Was a video there because I dear London. Was a man Tiwa between no, but Tiwa between that. A ambulance is a bit heavy, £100. I'm a dance. Masaya, the number on a cocoa July. That's the kind of day I've ever found someone. What they acquire Papa, my watch. And you want more Facebook to do it, and so be the bee bar. When you know, my baby, I'm more, Fiano, Holland, Auntie Marian, the Kingsley also brother. When you know, more watching, and I could be at the 100, who are gone answer 100. Adom the Anya was 67,000 people. I'm with Adom. 60-something thousand. It would the infant is 50,000 people crowd. Now with 3 1 day pa. Would you be 100. So you see, I'm a TV. You see, I'm a TV. Near the Aquacoma. And you want one used to be a way to be a bois, who bet to be a bois. Would they say to be 100 and you bet to be a you to say 0244 710 311. When I'm on the triple point to our man, you. We are saying, for my cousin, for my man, to go to body, a woman. As I said, the project to the Obebo. The dance about. Can't okay, we are no winning. 0244 710 311. The casa for Bremen, I mean, I was a tree. So for YAW OWUSU ANSAH, when you say tap, I say the uncle was Sumayan and one. YAW OWUSU say, ya car crown is Zayana, a sorry. Umunim, insurance grown say, Namaya in Tia. They don't know. Woman says, in the Kai Upia. She always a car, what Tibukra, Bubefu. That's what can you say? The can be Papa always say, and you in a Qatar, don't say Nana from Paul, or Oberhausen, Nana, Sandy Bisses here, Oberhausen. Anti-comfort, Abrabonsra, Anti-Connie. Forget. Would you send this as our Resurrection Power Living Bread Ministries International? Do sold up. Once you send this anti-comfort, one Sunday I'm about the Aquapums and Memories was Sunday. Another just and nano appas Adiana Pasami Pia Conedy. George, Hardbrook. I was over Germany. Mr. Sandy Bintam. A child Marlinda. Like a good morning, Papa. A good morning, Quanami here. Hamburg, Sandy Bra. Emiria from Poma. That's a what be with you, baby. 0244 710 311. Obia friend our friend line I try say line you correct line no mean say you correct when you dey say dey na mo ye na me pesa woman say me am na you fine akwasi money but modern obi bia anybody at all support Diana Premper Patrick Ross Brown Ajoa so na ye never say 1 hour door nyankopon ade nyina de boa wo e ma na wie wo abusia wo e ba wie wo pacho monkasa mama choko monkasa na de na mnyan kora na ka mu nyina wo bi ama ama e pompa ya se ni se mo bakura na me jeje me ka ambulance sika ende de na me ni abre papa ya das wo de mo nyanyeje papa nyamsom wo ni daso wa ke be e kenkan ye me kan wo Christ congregation say yamsom nyame moka yen sum nyame moka ene se ye beto aso
sa enti sa wo sum o ye kristoni a ese se wo nyame moka nia wo sum no no wo wani daso enti na me sha se me ka se nyam sum e wani daso enti Roman ho no se yenim se won no do Nyankopon no won do Nyankopon why na wo do no why na wo do no enti sa wo do Nyankopon dia nia wo na mu nyina no ebeba na wieye na ni daso kese enso di akiri.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, men can say jai. Men can say jai. Me say thank you. Me can say thank you. Ya kumi. Nyasa oba send ya kumi from Amsterdam. Ya send it. Kwa me chire. Makonta. Akonta ya kan say no enra na jona me bo wodine. Ba modine na ambulance no fa ho jim why? Adwa uni ukro momfa mo hanyim anti Felicia fa ho jim we nyasa mo ba ya mo be kasa no makọ obi amfa no hanyim kakra mo na mo de beko edimo mo ntua bi
enti ye beko
ani me mo PCC adwa
Papa me da say one a wodo Ewurade no adie nyina say negative and positive negative and positive
Monica
ni nyina mu no edibua na ewie wiye enti ye bia enne no niema etofom niema nkoyie ukutare ana wa wo original wa no ate afi ni nyina mu no ebedi aboa na ewie wiye emfa wo nko amanie mu emfa wo nko seye mu na
etobri kura e look like a shameful Benjamin no awodo ho ato no so no obema Yehowa nko na ye nim no Yehowa no aye nim no no ono and what say ye ba and Paul say na yinim se it you must know when huna o say for no ede wo ignorance e be dada wo said ye wonem no I said this is the end of your life sof mama kasa
wonim dia
sof mama kasa
say wonim ente na pa kasa wonim no na e wo kwan bebre so obefa so awodi beni because when nim a obonsam na ne oba obeka we ya na wadwen aye won
so know your status know your status know your relationship with God did this me ye nyame ba wana wodo Ewurade wana wodo Nyankopon no
want na no yi wana na mo so yi
of mama preach it also mama cook also mama
no ne dia ebechia but wonim se wakoma mu fan wodo nyame wonkwa asore keke ye fa na wo ko bi ye bi
wujira nyame anima wujira with confidence se me ye nyame ba ma ye bone ya da no but me ye nyame ba me ne nyame din komo
iti nkomodie num no ache odo a wodo na wonim no wo ma obi meka nkyere wansa ne mom no wonim
na ye nim se
adie nyina me bon negative side ne because no na ye say eya na feel say no ne die enfa Kristo sum ho nanso won a word adie nyina
adie nyina means adie nyina me ye Kristo ne mapa ba me kono mo wi me ye Kristo ne mapa na nsa na me wi nsa me ye Kristo ne mapa me je nkrofo ayire no me ye Kristo ne mapa me bo adwaman na nso so me ne aba me ho so so don't feel condemned. Don't condemn yourself. But realize that me jami pema uradia. Me jami pema uradia. Me jami pema uradia. Adie nyina ebedi aboa me. Amena wie me yie. Wana ma uradi tiri mo poso. Eno na yameda no. God has his own purpose for my life. Also first Bremo ansa na ma ne Felicia abem. Ono wa mantem. I say sana me ya. Wa mantem no. We ya na me de twatuo baby.
Bishop da say.
I did Felicia stre. Wa mantem. We no kro mo ye late.
Asam e da broso. Na yenim se. Wana wodo Onyankopon. Ade nyina di.
No kware.
So wo hwa ha na pa wanka no okan dodo kabia
jira ho obi disika atoa obi say nana kwabna inshira was I will give $200 pastor good nana wonko ade wonu Facebook for one corner, me so watch what they were. Yes. Thank you very much. Mention say mo bi atwera. Mo Naomi akos me so abaso. Enye se wo baso keke. Wo baso na wo twera de wo be ma e wo ambulance no. Ambulance project. Maxwell was saying wo wabaso won twera hwe. No anso wabaso. Wo ye Christ Apostolic ni twere bibi. Wo New York. Ambulance na da so mo hunu ni nyina mo nya te se de mo hunu ye mo Facebook no mo hunu ni nyina you ade ni nyina to ho mo nkate mo ne mfiri ho prison de enye obi ana pe no koda ho bu ono mo ye de ne koda ho no wunnim de ma de ne koda ho but wo ko ono mo obi yare a o me de wo to officers kaa mu na mete se Valentine ya ebe enu ona nka ya timi a conclude na nka ye de akwa di wo mo Valentine and my crown will be a presentation in a way. Na company be so no be year my no be to your duty. Na we medica. We be to your duty 0244 710 311. Eti wa Facebook no mesra wa anya so wo baso keke wo baso anu atwere how much you can give. My case Ampadu Minta was I will give 50 euros from Amsterdam. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Mama be baso Mavis Danso John Yaboa Daniel D Samis Mama so Abdullahi also be twere say good morning na me pe ambulance no obeboa say good morning asemo. Ambulance project. Thank you very much. Also for Tuaso.
Oh, can I do a cabia?
Do a cabia.
Say, not just a new one. Because be a minimum say. One now, and Orion was a bit say. Now, one now says I do any name. If you bet me a dog, a pencil and no rade. Now, one now what dog radeno. A dear in a deep wow. Obi to one wing. Or don't see be or do debi or no one shall be by any nim said you rade a mayeno. Hallelujah. Dear prison say your ambulance. Dear ambulance cajon, Sikaka home, and your mapaka home, Waria home, Jumaka, see a door radin quadia, and your dear Nans be dear. I'm an every year. Yanko Mammy Frisha, Wakabia, or your latest war Canada. I feel we will be late to be a Mecca.
I didn't know boy, late. Papa Fatchame.
What do you call so? Who got track and who could
be money year. And you're not just a jiddy for no. And that's your quassory cake. That be. If you say, Bible says, I didn't know boy, money year, dear. And you're not and for one situation be a woman. And for whom?
Kosudo urade.
Na kosudo urade
na wo dono no. Aha. Na ono bema
ade nyina edibu aro bema na wie wo yie. Sade Nyankopon na nkasa timi ehu Satan frɛ no sɛ makoa Job dome. Enti koso ne hwɛ no. Ade nyina no. Enso hwɛ ka ho. Amanehunu ka ho. Nanso sa wotena mu a
wonwareye wonwoye ade nyina nanso wo bekoso adɔ urade efiri sɛ urade be ma ade ne nyina no abedi aboa enya wo na wo be ma ade nyina na abedi aboa wo enya wo wo le mo ma urade no abe ma ade nyina
adi aboa amana wie wo yie sɛ di onam ne trim poso afrɛ wo no.
Juliana upon or Kanshe or say I'm given 200 Ghana. Is it 2,000? Oh, 2,000 Ghanas. Oh, Julie. Oh, Julie. Oh, Juliana. Oh, Julie. Oh, Julie. Only you 2,000. Oh, Julie. Oh, Julie. Thank you very much, Julie. Thank you very much, Julie. Mr. Win the number. No announce so send how much you are given. 0244 710 311. Me a few minutes na mapon. 0244 710 311. A ambulance project a de kwa koma and Sawam presence. And I'm a person who also contribute to. Wouldn't say nipa ba ko bet me agiayo. We ni bo anya de bia mroso sa. Nipa ba ko bet me agiayo. Ba e fese ye collective responsibility. No what me aka say owusu ansa e ambulance no menso so me the 50, me the 20, me the 10, me the 100. Kakre bia o de bebe bia ensa. Ya boaboa no a ne ye de akwa koye e ya latadwa na me di ne saa no e ya latadwa me na me no otan abete enti minim se na ye di dwa nkasa kakranka no otan abete otan banku ochi buffalo ochi wo ye pan no me ma me sweet bad awie so me ma me efiampra obrefo ankasa me ye obrefo ba me your breath ba me nyi sikene ba me ye wiemfo ba bi sa na me nam hosa no nti edwa na me di ne kakranka ma me Felicia wo sere me ne afiampra ne ho nyo no da e wa sama do wo ho no
odo awrade de o ye nyina no odo awrade
afiampra
enti odo awrade no onyame be fa so ma na nya ba firi ni mo no so do awrade
gina ho obi nya bi atwere bi di anama mo wagina nyame sem no ne wagina ne ye di akon Amoaben Castro was I will give 100 euros. Amoaben, thank you very much. Doris o Canada and masum metie keke Doris ya na wutie tie keke twere de wo de bema ansa na maka kire osofo granting say watua bi tua etimo mo be ba so nyina how much are you giving? Ati Felicia to aso kakra na ya time so
papa esese ye do awrade e wo yakoma nyina mu emfa ho ni situation bi a wo mu do awrade enya sorry ko ni keke na enko hwade na nsan na wakoma ne ntwimfre awrade ho do awrade awo babaw awo maw adwuma babaw aware babaw aware maw koso do awrade na wo do no obema nyama nyina
ono bema ade nyina adi aboawo na esi wiye wo awie ya papa de maw awrade wo awie ya papa de maw besra 0244710311 aye MTN mobile money number. It won't how cry. Whether you are breaching a wow phone was who bet me a send Nana Richard, Nana Unquaso, Nana your henny and our Sati Abrichre Oberhausen or yes shops and Casa. Must say on also 100 euros. 100 euros. Nana Oko when Nimka Cranka, and so now Oko when Nimanka, and so me ngina dodo enso da na ko ani ma meka se mo ye to ambulance ti mo Facebook no de anyesa mo tie keke wo hunu ka no 0244710311 Kwame Afo says I mention my 50 mudi ahen euros and dollars and pounds. Na lande for no mon shadan kasa. Mo lande for no mon shada en twere mo UK no. Mo man nye hot said the young crofo ka no. Mo UK no mon twere.
Radio no person mo ya ntike me phone line no
mo radio no ye 0244710311 wo bie kura nipa say no betimi it 0244710311 and a mobile MTN mobile money it we see our phone no de wo so no na send Nana Poku say mema $250 Canadian dollars. Thank you very much Nana Poku. Ambulance no munyina na mo to yenyina obi biara will contribute. You are part of the buyer of the ambulance for and Sawam praisings. Bishop will be say it is me Accra. Oh Accra hoya there. For now I will give. I say for now I like the word for now remember $100. Thank you very much I appreciate that. For now I'll give $100. Obinya come for now and not just all tears yes at the end of the baby so but for now no dear Marco Fosu say for now also for now remember 100 say euros and pounds and emudia hina fa no to aso mame why Mark fa to aso mame. Thank you very much. The more you know, MFP, more ya dear. It's 0244710311. Over to a mobile MTN mobile money. Dear, I was on Samuel Odamilabi, or a trusted person. If I no cry a dollar, I will support Rita Amwa for. Yes, Rita Amwa for I will support $50. UNICEF 3 years say I will send $100. Now I say pounds of one more. Mentias you. Mentias here. One more children. Now one more children. One more. Okay. Mate. Someone should lending this year. But so for back on Resurrection Power, your new branch, is it Newham? One also send the baby very tangible. By dear pa. So for God bless you. Mami Hamilton, Dana Hamilton, you know, I'm in Pong. What I'll do to read this one. Dana Hamilton, a year you may dear, Yamaya Duma Quasiada. And Mamma for no Ejomafa Empon Yantuaso. But Tiasia said, I want you to support this project. 0244 710 311. Accra say, oh, I am here. Thank you, Accra. God bless you for the vision. Thank you very much for your encouragement. Accra, you bet me I have Ghana, no. Ghana is all to now. Johnny say, be a buying. Be them microphobia almost so mobilize the ambulances. The of friends the hospitals be. You know, I am one man and coordinate. I am one man and coordinate. And your team did and then your train second, and then your pussy for to Abunipa. To be you, election Kakrani, Bubutu, said to you, Bono, Amobo Bono, and Vasu be an eso, and Mam Nipen to Tumbrika, election Kakraya and Potemo, Yansen be a nim, and why Bakusu Yam from Sua Ikuma, I am fine yam from Sunya, and Cassandra near 2020 dear, and your answer so it demanded to you, it demanded second. Mukum Ghana for any area. Who bet you was? And your man be one more Kayam and Thomas here. Marco for this $100. Thank you very much, Mark. Rete for money and that America for crowd my friend one more than one more respond pa na mo you Esther Champon Vienna one for Mayo Esther the project yen free we see had here yen free we see had here Sada Bible na come yen free we see had here Bible say Oma Yebemasa. So don't be tired. Mama Jose.
Dodo na woman na nyame israel.
Dodo na woman na nyame so israel. Na nyame israel. And so went to me and send it on Facebook. I went to me and free what telephone I hot. Mom free. Where woman send it. 0244710311. One Sunday. I want fresh Saturday. Okay. Nana goes also send £50. Or send it to the 050. I'll bet me I send it so okay. 0509 151010 also yeah Juma 0509 151010 and all your WhatsApp. You bet me a WhatsApp Yes, Sabeka 0509 151010. Akrabia will bet me to support the ambulance project. And Rama maybe any about or Bray Eros no or some bomb pie say a bit will be abro even one and come when you're two. Nobody a mawon Pire or supported or some boss empire. Mrs. Anama, my name is Senyamaya Duma, a memenda uja ukono equine. A sorry penny a ja anaman, a war, a Victory Bible Church. Bijinebusiano and Nemunina Mawashade, me warama me way na Ijina ye mi ni bia Crofu bidibia, Mrs. Anamai. ne kuno da fomu a nyame ya adomo a ye jana kwai wa ye me maame wa ye me nuaba wa ye me aunt wa ye me futufo ye me nkranhye ne kuno da fomu no ya sori panyin so e wo Victory Bible Church nyame ya adomo a memenda ye be jana kwai e wo Victory Bible Church headquarters church ho na ye nyina be kwa akota akire wa woni mesesa na man bia wa koto baby ana woni me no wala Paloma woni me no Orion woni me no e wo baby ya sori bia na ma me asom nyame e wo Resurrection Power and Living Bread Ministries for many years ye de ni kurukura ya sori panyin no be sere kwa say baby ye de ni kuna gina no ese se okoko kana ho obuoni ani die so pa this woman le kuno da form eti ye be kwa akogina abusua na chikura ewo Victory Bible Church Dominion adwa wo ka bibia na
papa chonya me ya adomo china never again all night papa never again the ayama minti mi ni wangro never again all night china
never again achina can it be aye bia ma
papa egusu ye bi ma me
adwa so wujina wona wo lead kura na kire se me ankasa me say adwa
but we're moving into a new dimension
mama mo obi good morning papa I will give 100 euros ohene dako thank you very much ohene dako obi so nana ahenkra o se menzo so I will give $100 oh more ye mana ye fe kakra obi empia bi mra what dey pon kura no a obetimi still like Facebook na wa send okay my pon Daddy Hamilton, Jumedi no baso kwasiada ewo. ICGC Sakomono Calvary Temple. Also for Kid Anthony Kijo. When you can't wait, where you may free so. But I'm saying one with you, Yamin Shrow Bibia. When you man in Sui, at the end, I rather man in Sui. Many and animal hanging I cabo the oil refinay. I'm a picture. No, yes, Wahano. Yes, I was so. I want to tell you, I rather man in Sui. I rather come home. Yehu wan hwemo so yehu anhwe Ghana yehu anhwe man panyini na bedi akire ne cabinet yehu anhwe ahemfo na hema yehu anhwe adwumayefo ne wona woni adwuma esujafo ene wona wanom aware awrade hwe won so wonyame agya oba na sonson konkrodin mo amen.
Only God can stop us now.
106.3 FM.
Jim FM 106.3 Talk.
Only God can stop us now.
106.3 FM.
Jim FM